What's up guys, this is OneUX1. I'm going to tell you what you need in your UX design portfolio, things people miss out and then don't get the job that they want. So the most important thing in your UX design portfolio is that each case study that you give, you follow the whole UX design process. So end to end, from beginning of the problem right to the solution. So you start with what we call STAR, so situation, task, action, result, STAR. And that's what each case study must have. So you must prove you fixed the problem. You must prove that there was this situation, users had this pain point, and this is what I did to fix it. But don't forget to mention the team that you worked with. If you don't mention teamwork and just I did this, I did that, I'm amazing, nobody wants to hire you. They want to know that you're good at working with teams, working with people. So show them your process, show them how you went end to end from a problem to a great solution, and then prove it with stats, success metrics, KPIs, that this is what I achieved. It was faster, it was quicker, it was nicer, it was more helpful. That will really help you to get to that solution that you need to build on. The next thing in your UX design portfolio is design. Make sure that it looks good, and use Canva if you can, because there's lots of templates ready made there. Don't do it in Word. Don't use Word or some basic processor. If you have to pay someone, but you can do it yourself with Canva and other apps. I think Canva's still the best, but design it well. So have a good color scheme and keep it consistent. So if it's yellows and blues, or whatever color, grays and yellows, greens and light colors with contrast, whatever the contrast is, make sure it's consistent on each page and keep a theme. Themes are really important. People like themes. So keep it consistent, design it well, get it checked and reviewed by other people. Show your portfolio to other UX designers, UX researchers, show it to your friends and family. They'll give you their honest opinion. One other section that's really important, I normally put it at the beginning, is one slide or maybe two max about who you are. A bit of your hobby. You play basketball, show a picture of you playing basketball. Just gives them an idea that we like this person's likable, we like this person's personality, so that you can show more than just your professional career, but as a person, you're going to be able to get on with people, you're driven, you're motivated, you've got good habits. So show a bit about your personal life, whatever your hobbies are, your interests are, take a picture of that and add it in there. The next thing people forget to do is take lots of pictures. Take pictures at every angle, vertical, horizontal, landscape, and make sure you have as many pictures as possible from different angles, because when you're designing your A4 size portfolio, you don't know where that picture is going to fit. So don't take pictures in one angle or just landscape or horizontal. Take lots of pictures at different angles so that you can fit them in where they're needed in your portfolio. And a lot of people make that mistake. They're ready to design a portfolio and they don't have the pictures they need. They don't have the exact items that they need to complete the portfolio, and that's really important. If you're going to complete a UX design portfolio, it needs to be visually really attractive and it goes with the story. So you're telling the story with pictures, and that's what we all like. We like to see pictures with things. So when you're telling the story of your case study or your journey, you want to add pictures so people can see your journey. If you like this video, if you're benefiting, guys, please subscribe, and this channel is going to get you to your dream career. The next thing I'd like to say about UX design portfolios is you want the portfolio to be short. So I wouldn't have more than 4 to 5 slides or pages on each case study, maximum, because if you go on too long, no one has the time. So maximum 15 to 20 slides for the whole portfolio. If it goes longer than that, who's got the time to read it? No one's going to. At the end, the last page of your portfolio, people forget to put contact details. Put your LinkedIn address, put your phone number, put your email address right at the back, and you can have it right in the beginning as well if you want, but mainly they'll look at the back to contact you. So they may not even need the agency or the agent. They can contact you directly, maybe hire you directly. That can also work for you. So make sure you leave your contact details. I hope that was helpful, guys. I'll see you on the next one. This is OneUX1. Thank you.